My baby's cooking potatoes with egg. No, here. Potato and egg. Yummers. We are in Mega Mall. Walking, we having what is that?
We can ride around like this?
Yeah, I think so, yeah. And ride.
Huh?
Yeah.
You know, like...
Yeah. We are walking in the Mega Mall. Yeah, babe.
Hey guys. Hey guys. Filipinos, US, our American friends, our Facebook friends, family. Listen, my queen does not know how to use her phone at all. Okay? I'm teaching her right now how to use her phone. Char. No.
Babe, you're thirsty? Eat Korean restaurant.
I'm sorry.
Guys, my man, he's trying to use chopstick. He's trying hard to do chopstick right now. Oh wow! You picked that! Good job!
Uh-oh.